resolution of a vector into three rectangular components in space, that is nothing but 3 dimension. Let us resolve a general vector A bar into three components along x, y and z axis in 3 dimension. Now it is a 3-dimensional coordinate axis. You can see this is x axis, this is y and this is z, and the origin is represented by O. Let A be the vector which is present in space, that is in 3 dimension. My aim is to resolve this vector into 3 components along x, along y as well as along z. Let alpha be the angle made by the vector with respect to x axis and beta be the angle made by the vector with respect to y axis, and gamma is the angle made by the vector with respect to z axis. Ax I cap is the component of vector along x axis. Ay into j cap is the component of vector A bar along y axis. Az into k cap is the component along z axis. Now here you see I cap, j cap and k cap will represent the unit vector, that is nothing but the direction along x, y as well as z. Whereas the magnitude of A bar along x is Ax, along y is Ay and along z is Az. So what is the vector along x axis? Ax into I cap is the vector along x axis, Ay into j cap is the vector along y axis, and Az into k cap is the vector along z axis. Now that is a 3-dimensional. I have constructed a cube. If alpha, beta and gamma are the angles between A bar and the x, y and z axis respectively, then Ax is nothing but A cos alpha, because I am taking the component. Ay is nothing but A cos beta along y axis. Az is equal to A cos gamma along z axis, where cos alpha is equal to Ax by modulus of A bar, that is the magnitude of A bar. Cos beta is nothing but Ay by modulus of A bar, and cos gamma equal to Az by modulus of A bar. Here modulus of A bar represents the magnitude of A. In general, if you want to represent as A bar is divided into 3 components, if you combine the vectors along these 3 axes, you will get the final vector, that is A bar. That is Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap is nothing but A bar. The magnitude of vector A bar is A equal to root over Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square, just like in 2 dimension. A position vector R bar can be expressed as R equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. We have discussed this in the beginning of the chapter while introducing a position vector, where x, y and z are the components of R bar along x, y, z axis respectively. Alpha, beta and gamma are the angles in space. They are the angles between pairs of lines which are not coplanar. Not coplanar means they won't exist in the same plane. Also, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is nothing but 1, because the denominator will remain the same, that is modulus of A bar, and if you take the square of Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square is nothing but A square. So A square by A square is nothing but 1. Vector addition in 2-dimension analytical method. Graphical method of adding vector is often tedious and less accurate. It is much easier to add vectors by combining their respective components. Consider 2 vectors A bar and B bar in xy plane with components Ax, Ay and Bx, By. That is Ax, Ay are the components of A bar and Bx, By are the components of B bar. So you can represent it as A bar is equal to AX I cap plus AY j cap. B bar equal to BX I cap plus BY j cap. Now I want to add these two vectors. Let R be the sum, that is R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Simple. You have to add the I components together and j components together. So AX I cap plus AY j cap plus BX I cap plus BY j cap. If you're going to substitute the values of A bar and B bar in this expression. Since vectors obey the commutative and associative laws, R bar is equal to, that means if you take common here I cap, AX plus BX I cap plus AY plus BY j cap. Since R bar is equal to Rx I cap plus Ry j cap, where Rx and Ry are the components of R bar along x and y axis. So in place of Rx you have Ax plus Bx, and in place of Ry you have Ay plus By. If you compare these two equations, you're going to get Rx equal to Ax plus Bx and Ry is equal to Ay plus By. Thus, each component of the resultant vector R bar is a sum of the corresponding components of A bar and B bar. Vector addition in 3-dimension analytical method. Consider two vectors A bar and B bar in x, y, z coordinate system representing space with components Ax, Ay, Az, the components of A bar along 3-dimension, and Bx, By, Bz, the components of B bar along 3-dimension. So if you write A bar is equal to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap, and B equal to Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Just like in 2-dimension, now you have to add these two vectors, that is I components with I and j components with j and k components with k. Let R be the sum, then R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Substitute the values, you're going to have this expression. Since vectors obey commutative and associative laws, you're going to write this expression as R bar is equal to Ax plus Bx I cap plus Ay plus By j cap plus Az plus Bz k cap. Now, if you consider R bar will also have three components along x, y and z, which can be represented as Rx I cap plus Ry j cap plus Rz k cap. If you're going to compare these two equations, you're going to have Rx equal to Ax plus Bx, Ry is equal to Ay plus By, and Rz is equal to Az plus Bz. Thus, each component of the resultant vector is the sum of the corresponding components of A bar and B bar. This method can be extended to obtain addition and subtraction of any number of vectors. For example, if vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are given as A bar is nothing but three components Ax, Ay and Az, B bar similarly C bar. Then a vector T bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar minus C bar has components. Initially add these two vectors and subtract C bar from that sum. You will get the final answer. So Tx is nothing but Ax plus Bx minus Cx. Ty is nothing but Ay plus By minus Cy. And Tz is nothing but Az plus Bz minus C.